Do you want to prevent other TikTok users from seeing when you've viewed their profiles or posts? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable viewer history. So first, you need to go ahead and open your TikTok application on your device. Log into your account and tap on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go ahead, tap on Privacy from the Account section. Once you're in this page, you need to scroll all the way down and there you'll see the option of Viewers, which is below the Favorite Sounds option. Go ahead and disable this switch. After you turn this off, you won't be able to see who views your TikTok profile, watches your posts, and views your stories. When viewer history is off, no other users can see when you viewed their profile or post either, because this setting works both ways. So that's how you disable viewer history on TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.